behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. It must be worn whenever the slides are on, undies is fastened, and adjusted like this, and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Oxygen masks like this will appear automatically. If you are wearing a face mask, this should be removed before putting on an oxygen mask. Stay in your seat and pull the oxygen mask towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on a cloth streamer to release your mask. Make sure your mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There is a whistle and a light for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move it, but let one of your cabin crew know. Devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is out upright in the takeoff position with the armrest down, your table folded away. Window blinds must now be in preparation for takeoff. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted anywhere whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors.
Cabin crew, seats to take off. flight, then please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we'll be offering you a complimentary bottled water and a snack. This will be followed by our pre-purchased items from our Speedbird Cafe. For the safety of all our customers, please ensure you wear your face mask at all times, unless you're consuming food and drink. The same also applies if you are resting or sleeping. Please ensure that you have your mask on. We now invite you to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there is anything my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, then please let us know. Thank you.
Through charities like Butterflies, we have helped support projects across India, helping thousands of children and young people to build life skills, overcome isolation, and improve mental and physical health of children's processes. If you would like to help, simply place your spare change in any currency into our charity collection bag, which a member of cabin crew will be shortly bringing through the cabin. On behalf of British Airways, Comet Relief and Flying Start, we thank you in advance for your continued support and generosity.